Hello friends, my name is Jacqueline and I work as a freelance designer. I've been in the industry about 10 years. I got started with graphic design, creating logos and websites for small businesses, and now I primarily work with early stage startups, helping them to create responsive websites and mobile applications. In this class, you will learn how to create your first mobile app prototype. This class is for anyone who is curious about working in the field of user experience or user interface design, visual artists who are looking to expand their marketable skill set, or entrepreneurs who wish to create an app of their own. This is going to be a practical hands-on class. We're going to be doing some sketching, we're going to do a little bit of design in a web tool, and then we're going to be putting it all together into a tappable prototype that we can test with our friends or potential customers. You do not need to have any prior design experience to follow along. And we'll be using a free tool for both the designing and the prototyping, which means you're not going to need to invest in any special equipment or paid design software for this class. And I really hope to equip you with a repeatable process and the tool you need to further develop your mobile app concept.